Hello everyone, this is Swarnashri from Tamil Nadu Agricultural University ACNRI Curriculum. The topic assigned to me is Price Discovery of Sago Industry. First of all, getting into the topic will just clear what is price discovery. Price discovery is nothing but, suppose we are having an asset or a commodity. To sell it, we need a buyer and a seller. The interaction between these two to determine a particular price to that asset or commodity is known as price discovery. This price discovery is also known as price discovery process or price discovery mechanism. Price discovery, as it plays a major role, so it is known as central function of a marketplace. So price is the main thing which is necessary and which plays a key role in selling the particular asset. So this price discovery depends on variable tangible and intangible factors from market structure to liquidity to information flow. Functions of price discovery. So price discovery allows sellers and buyer to set a market price of a tradable asset. That is, because the price discovery mechanism set out what seller intend to knowledge and what buyer intend to pay. So it gives particular price to that asset, keeping in mind what seller is acknowledged and what buyer is intended to pay, how much a buyer can pay and what a seller can buy it to what extent, to what amount. This is the function of price discovery. Therefore, price discovery is related to finding the equilibrium price which facilitates the maximum liquidity for that asset. Factors determining the price discovery are supply and demand, and attitudes to risk, volatility, available information, market mechanisms. Price discovery in trading. Price discovery matters in trading because supply and demand are driving forces behind financial markets. In market that are constantly in a state of changing, so it is important to constantly reassess whether a stock, commodity, index or forex pair is currently under or overbought and whether its market price is fair to both buyers and sellers. By assessing this, a trader can determine whether the asset is currently trading above or below its market value, and they can use this information as a basis for whether to open a long or short position. So, sago industry. Sago is nothing but the material which we obtain from the tapioca roots is known as sago. So the starch sago industry is agro-based seasonal industry using tropical roots tubers as a basic raw materials. It is generally practiced in Salem of Tamil Nadu, and the price discovery of tapioca market according to 1/2/2022, 1st Feb of 2022 is the maximum price was 2000 Indian rupees per quintal and minimum price was 1800 Indian rupees per quintal, and Feb months. So that month's average price was 3600 Indian rupees per quintal and peak price for month was 4000 Indian rupees per quintal. Thank you.